Hello ladies, as promised I am back with the Outre Tayon unit that I showed you on TikTok. If you were there, it's 24 inches, it's a 13 by 6, and I have her in the color 34. Now I told you guys that I got this unit because I wanted to replace my Neesha 203, which is the picture right here. And what's interesting is this says it's a 34 and this says it's a 34, but look at the difference in the color. This is the 34 from the Neesha 203. Look at that. And this is the color from the Neesha Tayon wig. So I'm like, okay, so what really is a 34? Because I always thought that this was like, well, this, I don't know, this I guess is a 34. Yeah, this is more of a 34 to me than the one I have on. The one I have on looks more like a 280 to me, and I like it because I like dark gray, so I'm fine with it. But honestly, I can't believe that they're calling this a 34 and this a 34. So anyway, so the reason why I really wanted this one is not because of the length, because I'm definitely going to cut this, but this one is only a part. And this one's a 13 by 4. I mean 6 rather, 13 by 6. And I wanted something like this, but I wanted it to be in a 13 by 6. So I'm hoping that they come up with another color that's this color, that's in this particular wig, Tayon, or come up with some other semi-Neesha unit that is a 13 by 6. So let me show you what it looks like in the back. I'm sorry. Today has been a crazy day for me. Roberta Flack died today and I'm just like bummed. Jerry Butler died the other day and I'm just bummed. And if you guys watched me on TikTok, you know that I did a whole spiel on how I'm really feeling bad about the fact that so many people from the 70s are passing away. And you guys know I'm 67 years old, so I am not long for this world either. So I just, you know, I guess I was kind of asking you guys to, if you don't know anything about the groups, the music in the 70s, even if you only know a few groups like Earth, Wind & Fire or Stevie Wonder, well, he was 60s and 70s, you know, just people that you might have known from the 70s that were really, really popular, I would challenge you to go and look into some of the older groups that maybe not have been as well known. Now, unfortunately, Unsung has not done as many as I would like them to do. Slave, for one, it's obvious that Slave was unsung. And if you don't know who Slave is, they're a group from Dayton, Ohio, which is my hometown area. And there were a lot of people from my hometown area that became big musicians. Let me see if I can name them. Lakeside, Slave, of course, the Ohio Players, let's see, Heat Wave, oh goodness, who else? Oh, Bootsy is from Cincinnati. Well, yeah, he's from Cincinnati. Midnight Star, of course, they're from the 80s, but they were from Cincinnati. Of course, Roger and, used to be Roger and the Human Body, but Zap. All of those people were from that area. And they made a huge contribution to music. Even, who is it? My mother's favorite woman, Nancy Wilson, was from Chillicothe, Ohio. But anyway, I'm just saying that in the 70s, there were a lot of people that did a lot of really wonderful things as far as music goes. And they set the pace for a lot of the music that's out today. And I just wanted you guys to go check that out. So I'm feeling a little down about Roberta Flack being gone, and I'm listening to her music. So yeah, so anyway, if you guys are interested in this unit, just know that the 34 is not going to be this color. The 34 is going to be dark like I have on my head. This is like, like I said, it looks more like a 280 to me than a 34. But that's what they're saying. They're saying it's a 34. But again, I love it because it's 13 by 6. I can part it wherever I want. It's not as thick as that Neesha 203, and that's another thing that I like. And I am going to cut it because it's too long for me. I'll probably cut it around maybe here, something like that. But I wanted to show this to you guys because I did a really brief video on TikTok today in this wig. And I know some people are wondering when I'm going to do the review. So here it is. And I'm going to have another review on TikTok of it too. So yeah, I really love this. And I love the fact that it has several options as far as parting goes. And it lays down really good. The lace is good. I plucked it. Yeah, I like this. So if you guys are interested in Tayon, she's available at all stores now that, I think. Yeah, she's available at all stores now. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just getting out the bed. My foot is killing me while I'm sitting here talking to you. I need to go back and put it up because it's still not completely healed yet. But I didn't want to go too long without giving you guys this review, because I know you were looking for it after I showed you the first look, and you guys know I am not going to sit up here and not show you something that you need to see. I'm sorry. If you want to see other videos like these, especially videos for the over 60 woman, watch these, and I'll see you on the flip side.